Subcompact sedans remain to be among the most affordable cars, available to those who feel safer using personal instead of public transport in these COVID-19 times. Not only are they affordable, some are quite sporty and stylish, like the new Mitsubishi Mirage G4.
The Mitsubishi Mirage in hatchback and sedan form has done well for Mitsubishi Motors Philippines since it made its local debut in 2013. The company says it has sold more than 92,000 Mirage units in the country, a really impressive number considering that it has sold around 370,000 units worldwide. Even more significant is that the Mirage sold locally are being assembled at the Mitsubishi Motors plant in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Mitsubishi expects to continue to produce the Mirage locally to meet an even stronger demand for the Mirage following the recent launch of the new Mirage G4, the subcompact sedan that already has a solid following among Filipino car buyers. This expectation is bolstered by the new look of the Mirage G4 sedan that at 4,305mm long, 1,670mm wide, and 1,550mm tall is great for driving in crowded and narrow city streets. The Mirage G4 GLS CVT should stand out in a crowd with a fashion that already integrates Mitsubishi's dynamic shield concept with a new headlight, front grille, and bumper design. Along with color-keyed front and rear bumpers, the new-look Mirage G4 exudes a sporty attitude that is enhanced by the 15-inch alloy wheels wrapped by 185/55 R15 tires. The G4 comes with multi-reflector halogen headlamps, bulb-type rear combination lamp, side-view mirrors with integrated turn signals, and LED high-mount stop light. The Mirage G4 cabin is roomier than expected for a subcompact 4-door, 5-passenger sedan. The Mirage G4 GLS comes with keyless entry and key operation system that allows one to get into the cabin and start the engine with the key fob in pocket. The Mirage G4 sits 5 comfortably. The driver's seat adjusts 6 ways and combined with the tiltable steering wheel, wrapped in leather in the GLS variant, allows for a good, comfortable driving position. The rear seat back comes with a pull-down rear center armrest that features 2 beverage holders. The high-contrast instrument cluster features a speedometer and rev counter, as well as a multi-information display monitor for such info such as drive range, fuel consumption meter, service reminder, trip meter, and outside temperature. Other interior convenience features in the Mirage G4 GLS include electric power steering, auto climate control, and steering wheel-mounted audio controls. The Mirage G4 infotainment comes from a 7-inch smartphone link display audio system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, radio tuner, USB port, and plays through 4 speakers in the GLS variant. The new Mirage G4 is powered by a 1.2-liter or 1,193cc 3-cylinder MIVEC engine that generates 78 PS and 100 Nm of torque. The engine drives the front wheels via an INVEX 3 continuously variable transmission. Power and torque are more than adequate to make driving the Mirage G4 or GLS, which has a gross weight of 1,335 kilograms, both practical and fun, as well as safe on city streets or provincial roads and highways. Mitsubishi describes the INVEX 3 CVT as a wide-ratio transmission system that works to maintain optimal revolutions per minute for high performance and fuel economy. For the driver, this means smooth acceleration and deceleration in all driving conditions. The G4 also has a cool feature that helps the driver learn economical driving habits. Mitsubishi calls this the Eco Mode indicator. It works with an Eco indicator on the instrument cluster which lights up whenever the accelerator pedal is pressed and is operated in an eco-friendly manner. The Mirage G4 suspension system uses a McPherson strut and coil spring with stabilizer in front and torsion beam in the rear. The brake system features 14-inch ventilated discs in front and 8-inch leading and trailing drums in the rear. For safety, the Mirage G4 is equipped with dual airbags, 3-point ELR seatbelts for 5, ISOFIX child restraint as well as tether anchors. The Mirage G4 GLS also comes with anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, brake override system, and a rear view camera with guidelines to make it easier and safer for parking in tight spaces. The The new Mirage G4 comes in titanium gray metallic, cool silver metallic, red metallic for the GLX CVT and GLS variants. One can get a Mirage G4's GLX CVT or GLS CVT in white solid, but only with an advanced confirmed order.
The Mirage G4 is one of Mitsubishi Motors Philippines' top-selling nameplates and should remain so with the latest iteration proudly rolled out by its factory in Santa Rosa, Laguna. That's our featured vehicle on this week's showcase, courtesy of Prudential Guarantee.
Drive worry-free with Prudential Guarantee's auto insurance program with a free 24-hour nationwide roadside assistance included with your comprehensive auto insurance. Rest assured, we'll take care of you and your car wherever you are. Prudential Guarantee's auto insurance program, 100% worry-free driving.